All parties Hurriyat Conference has reiterated its demand from the United Nations to send its team to occupied Kashmir to monitor the violations of the international laws and the civil rights of the Kashmiri people by India. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said the Indian Home Ministry and the Indian Army and the police establishment along with their agencies have wreaked a havoc in the Kashmir Valley under the Black Laws. Indian authorities have disallowed senior all-parties Hurriyat Conference Mirwais Umar Farooq to hold a meeting of the Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama at his residence in Srinagar to discuss the serious concerns of the Muslim community regarding the controversial Waqf Amendment Act recently passed by the Indian Parliament. The authorities have sealed all the lanes and the by-lanes leading to the residence of the Mirwais Umar Farooq in Srinagar. Mysterious deaths of the two Gujar community men whose bodies with torture marks were found in a canal continue to haunt the authorities in occupied Kashmir for their involvement in the killing foul play in the deaths of the Shaukat Ahmed and Riaz Ahmed, whose bodies were recovered from the Kulgam stream, was first highlighted by the Al Jazeera, and then the Indian media too took the issue as a wave of the grief and suspicion swept through the Kashmir's Gujar community. President of the People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti on Wednesday said that the visit of the Indian Minority Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju to occupied Kashmir in the backdrop of the Waqf Amendment Act's approval is a designated and a deliberate move to signal that the views of the Muslims in India and Kashmir hold a little weight. In a post on X, the PDP president said that the visit to the Asia's largest tulip garden felt like a public celebration of the Muslim community's marginalization. Over 83,000 domicile certificates were issued to the non-locals in occupied Kashmir. In the past 2 years, it was admitted by the occupation authorities during the question hour in the assembly. The revelation was made in a written response to a question raised by the People's Democratic Party lawmaker Abdul Wahid Para.